Hello, in this video, we will introduce variables, assignment statements, and expressions in section 2.5. Variables are used to reference values that may be changed in the program. We already used the variables radius, area, number 1, number 2 in the preceding programs. Now let's look at variables in more details. As you can see from the programs in the preceding sections, variables are the names that reference values stored in memory. They're called variables because they may reference different values. For example, here radius is 1.0, and we now get the area and display the area. And now we use a new value for radius. So this radius now is variable is changed. The area is also now changed. And this is called assignment operator, the equal sign. And this together, this is called assignment statement. This is the syntax. You can assign an expression on the right to the variable on the left. So please note the variable you assign value into is on the left. So here is another example. You have this y is 1, radius is 1.0. Now you assign a value to x. X is this expression, evaluate the expression, get the value into x. Now, y plus 1 is assigned to x, and here is to assign radius times pi into area. You can have a variable used on the both sides of the assignment statement. Here is x plus 1, the result is assigned back to x. So please note that this is the assignment statement in Python. It is not an equation like you have in the math. Now please note that the variable is on the left side. So if you put on the right side, this is wrong. You can have multiple assignment operator in one assignment statement. Here is you're going to assign 1 to x, and the result is assigned to j, and then assigned to I. So this is equivalent to you writing this 3 separate statements. Every variable has a scope. The scope of variable is the part of the program where the variable can be referenced. The rule that defines the scope of the variable will be introduced gradually in the book. For now, all you need to know is that a variable must be created before it can be used. So for example, this would be wrong because the count is not defined yet. So here is correct. You define count, assign the value as 1, and now you can use it. And also please note this is incorrect. So now you have interest rate is defined, but look at the spelling. Is this correct spelling here? The naming convention is right, but now interest here, what is this? It's lowercase r, so that is not defined. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.